I'm test firing the Viva Arms M1919 fusion engine conversion. FC is mounted up here at the top. Box mag is fully loaded with some bio BBs in there, .25s I believe, powered by the air tank right here. We're going to go ahead and give this a test shot, and then we're going to slow down the rate and make it a little bit more realistic. Here goes. Alright, seems to feed properly. Had to swap out the box mag mechanism because the one that came with the box mag just couldn't keep up enough feed pressure. So let's go ahead and slow this down a little bit and see if we can get a little bit more accurate rate of fire. I'm going to have to turn the rate of fire way up to get it down to close to 10 to 15 rounds per second, which I believe is more of the more realistic. Let's see how that is. Alright, let's take a look inside the box mag. I added this strap here temporarily just to hold the box mag in place while I moved it around. But if you open up the box mag, it has the same feed mechanism that I used on the M2 modification that I did. Same box mag. This will probably hold, I'm guessing, probably close to 8,000 BBs or so. Quite a bit. It'll be very heavy. But it feeds very nicely. Kink the line there. Alright, that's it. Viva Arms M1919 fusion engine conversion.